Hello everyone. Among the most deadliest diseases in the world, malaria disease reserves a place for it. It is most prevalent in Africa and Southeast Asia. It infects 200 million people every year and up to 1 million people dies every year. With years of research, no effective vaccine was developed till the year 2020. However, in October 2021, WHO recommended the widespread use of malaria vaccine in the trade name Mosquirix. How effective is this vaccine? Till when India will be able to procure malaria vaccine? On this World Malaria Day, let's see all this information in this video. Let's start. Malaria was first reported in 18th century when people thought that malaria is caused by breathing bad air in marshy areas, and that's why its name arises, mal air, that is bad air equals to malaria. Many of us think that malaria is caused by bite of a mosquito, but no, malaria is caused by a parasite, but the whole blame goes to a mosquito. Mosquitoes only spread this parasite. There are 5 types of these parasites, out of which 2 poses the greatest threat. Then how does mosquito came into the picture? Let's see here. This parasite lives in the mosquito female Anopheles. The parasites enter the human bloodstream through the bite of an infected mosquito. Parasite infects female mosquito which bite and infects human. When a mosquito bites human, it secretes its saliva to prevent blood coagulation. With this saliva, the parasites are transferred to the human body. These parasites further goes to the liver where they multiply and spreads the parasite throughout the bloodstream. The symptom begins 10 days to 4 weeks after infection, although a person may feel ill as early as 7 days or as late as 1 year later. Though the best cure for malaria is prevention, where insecticide treated mosquito netting placed around beds is the best way. Drug treatments are also available. However, drug-resistant malaria is threatening the lives of millions. To fight against this life-threatening disease, GlaxoSmithKline, through a partnership with PATH, with support from a network of African research centers, developed a vaccine Mosquirix RTS-S. Mosquirix is an injectable vaccine targeting the parasite and is the first and only vaccine to show partial protection in young children, having efficacy rate of 30% only. However, side effects are rare. WHO estimates around 15 million cases of malaria with 20,000 deaths annually. The vaccine status in India is that Bharat Biotech has received a license from the vaccine developers GSK to manufacture Mosquirix. By 2029, Bharat Biotech is expected to be the sole global manufacturer of the vaccine. Scientists at a New Delhi-based research center have completed the first ever phase 1 clinical trial of a Plasmodium falciparum malaria vaccine produced by indigenous recombinant technologies. India has produced an experimental vaccine against a different malaria-causing pathogen, Plasmodium vivax, and it was successfully evaluated in a phase 1 trial. Keeping the theme of this year's World Malaria Day, though the vaccines are developed, new innovations are required to reduce the burden of malaria, as no single tool can solve the problem completely.